Hello guys, today I will show you mine Russian Hrizantema S with working rock missiles. Let's start. It has detailed driver's seat, fighting compartment with additional missiles, and very realistic simple engine at 30 tote. It also has mine own tracks and turret with rockets cornet. Let's shoot. This rocket's very mobile and deadly. Here is our target. Let's shoot second. These missiles have 60 blocks of TNT each. We destroyed our target. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I will do more videos.